Hey guys, welcome to my channel Lifestyle Tech. So before we start the video, I would like to wish each and everyone a very happy new year in advance. And also the second news guys is that Lifestyle Tech channel has reached 1000 subscribers, and I would really like to thank each and everyone who has supported me to reach certain milestone of 1000 subscribers. And thanks a lot guys. So today we have with us the Realme Smartwatch S. Yes. So now this watch was recently launched through Flipkart, and also it is available in the Realme website at a price of Rs. 4999. It also has got a pro version which will cost you around 10,000, but normally what all features that you need in a smartwatch is already available in the Smartwatch S at a price of Rs. 5,000. So I thought of bringing up an unboxing and also the first impression of this product. Now it has been almost 1.5 to 2 years that Realme has launched a smartwatch, and I think it has priced it quite aggressively in the market, and it has also got in new features, and the display that I have seen is really good. So before wasting any more time, let's see the unboxing of this video and my first impression of the product. So let's start. So guys, in front of you have the Realme Smartwatch S, and basically in the front of the box you can see the design and how the watch would look like once we go inside. Side we can only see the Realme logos and the branding, and coming to the back we can see the features which are available in the smartwatch. We can see here 1.3-inch color display, heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, 16 sports modes, long battery life, and IP68 water resistant. Also, it supports Android and iOS devices. So once we open it, we can see the watch here, which we will keep it aside and further move in. We can see the magnetic charger in a circular shape, and going in we can also see the documentation, or you can see the instruction about this device and how to use it. So guys, the first impression of this device is that it looks really premium, and the screen also looks big. The straps are well made and it feels like silicone made. And on the back side you can see the sensors here for the heart rate monitoring and also for the blood oxygen monitoring and the magnetic charger strips. As you switch on the device, it will show a barcode scanner which will basically guide you to download the Realme Link app, which will be used to pair this device. The pairing feature is really simple and quick, and it took me a few seconds to pair it up. Talking about the build quality, it is basically made of aluminum and alloy body, which gives this watch a very sturdy and a rugged look. Also to mention, the silicone straps are interchangeable, so you can change it as per the different straps which you can buy, like the orange and the green which are available. Front, it has a 1.3-inch screen with 271 ppi, which is good and bright in daylight and with 600 nits of brightness. Also, the screen is a Corning Gorilla Glass, which will help you prevent from any scratches and makes it more durable. Talking about the UI, I felt it was very friendly and all the major features are available. Once you long press the screen, you can change the wallpaper and choose as per your preference, and there are more than 100 watch faces which you can choose. On pressing the button on the sidewards, it will take you to the menu where you can see an alarm settings. You can also customize the screen and the time, the display brightness, and there are various other functions which you can see on the screen here. Also guys, you can see here the various exercise modes which you can choose and select, like the outdoor run or walk, or the indoor run which is mentioned here, which you can see and select. There is also a weather app wherein the weather gets updated as per your location, and then you can see the heart rate monitoring logo which will help you in monitoring the heart rate, and below that is the blood oxygen meter. You can also control the music through the app which is mentioned here. You can also monitor the sleep, and this watch also work as a stopwatch and a timer. too. Also guys, one more feature is that you can control your mobile phone camera through the smartwatch app, which is mentioned here. And like you can see here, there are various new features which are available in this smartwatch, and which makes the watch totally complete. Also guys, once you come to the home screen and you swipe towards your right, you can see the notification panel out here, wherein it talks about the battery level, the brightness, the setting, and also there is a night mode which you can enable it. And once you swipe it from your right hand side, from the right to left hand side, you can see the exercise module. And once you swipe it from top to bottom, you can see the notifications, recent notifications. And once you swipe it from bottom to the top, you can come to the main menu, and through which you can go and select the other features which are there in the smartwatch. And definitely you can see here there are a lot of smartwatch faces which you can choose and select as per your likes. The app UI is also very simple and gives a clean look. As you open it up, you will be welcomed with your daily workout status along with the heart sensor readings and various other readings which you can see. And once you go to the setting, you can see the different watch faces there are already available, and if you guys, you can sync it with your watch. There are more than 100 watch faces which are customizable and can be done within a click. Going further guys, you can see there are call reminders, notification reminders, get up reminders, water reminders, and various other features which are normally available in the smartwatch. So guys, to sum up the video, what else do you need in a smartwatch? With the price of Rs.4999, you get 100 customizable watch faces, which is really good. And the second thing is that it is IP68 rated, wherein you can go out in the rain or take a water splash, which will work perfectly fine, and it makes the watch much more durable. In fact, the third point again is the battery life, which gives you 15 days of battery backup, I think, which is really awesome. So all in all, I think it is a very good package, and Realme as a brand, I think it has improved a lot. And definitely guys, if you are looking for smartwatch in the market that you wanted to buy right now, I think you can go for it, and this is the watch that you should aim for if you have a budget of Rs.5000. So that's it for today's video guys, and I will see you in the next one. And thank you all, and thanks for my 1000 subscription. So see you in the next video.